Well, hi guys. Okay, I thought I'd do another video. Today I went shopping. I went to two stores in our area. One was Tiny Railroads in Delhi, and the other store was OVR in Tilsonburg. So I had ordered a few things, and I thought I'd show you what I picked up, and I'm going to try and run a few on the train today. So from Tiny Railroads, I picked up a couple of Walter's mainline flat cars. I got one and two of those. Another one here. I also picked up a Walter's flat car kit. This is Great Northern. So I got that today. And I also picked up, this is an RS3 CP Rail Pac-Man series. It's an old Athearn. It's only DC right now, but I'm going to add a chip to it and make it DCC. So that was from Tiny Railroads. And I also picked up another Bowser TH&B Boxcar. I was missing this road number from the Bowser release they did. So I got that today. I also got a couple of used boxcars. These are CP Rail. These are hard to come by. These is a blue Pac-Man, and I also got a silver one. These need to be updated. The couplers are wrong, and I'm going to make some changes to these over the winter months. And at OVR, I picked up a couple of boxes of the Tangent branded steel coil kits for my steel mill. I got 2 boxes of those. I picked up the new Atlas Thanksgiving Boxcar from OVR. And I also got from OVR the Merry Christmas Boxcar. This is both by Atlas. These just came out this week. These are brand new releases from Atlas. Got those. And I got a KD Christmas 2021 Boxcar. And the last item was a KD 2020 Merry Christmas hopper car. So I thought I'd unbox these 4 and run them on the layout. So these Atlas stuff is available at OVR, and I actually saw them at Tiny Railroads today too. They had them there too, but I had ordered mine from OVR this morning. So see if I can do this tape. Come out of the box. There's one. There's that box. And there's the other one. Of course, they're not made to come apart easy on camera. There's the other one. Goes over there. And the Atlas. Of course, we have a train running in the background, which I'm controlling with my tablet. I guess we can call this a review. There's that. Nicely wrapped anyhow. So this is the new Atlas Christmas boxcar. I think they released these in N scale too. There's that one. Train come back around. And the last one. Now, let's go pick them up. Pick up the caboose. So this is my Christmas train. So I'm wishing all my subscribers and my fellow YouTubers a Merry Christmas as we run trains on the layout. I'm going to bring this around a couple of times. I want to unbox a Thanksgiving card, but Thanksgiving is done. I'll run that next year. But so here we come. Yeah, so my layout is running now. I got my two main lines running, and here comes the Christmas train. Slow it down. Back it up a bit. Let's see if we turn the camera a bit to see better. Back here now. Here we come, Christmas train. Here comes the double header. These are my GP38s coming into play now. Well guys, that's my 2021 Christmas edition train and shopping trip I did today. Both those stores are very good. They are close to our area in Dundas. I plan to expand the Christmas tree. I'm not sure if I'll get it done for this Christmas, but next year I'll add more. Here you come. Now these the KD, Boxcar, and the Atlas, they are very good rolling stock. And the Atlas, I think, are well made. Okay guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I hope everybody has a very good Christmas this year and a Happy New Year. Bye for now.